In a small, remote village, there lived a young boy named Alex. Alex had a dream of becoming a doctor, a dream that seemed nearly impossible due to his family's extreme poverty. His parents struggled to provide the basics, and the idea of him pursuing higher education seemed like a distant fantasy. Alex's family lived in a small, dilapidated house with no running water or electricity. His school supplies were old and worn, and his clothes were threadbare. Despite these challenges, Alex's ambition was unwavering. Every day, he walked miles to school, carrying heavy books in a torn bag. At school, Alex excelled in his studies, showing a remarkable talent for science and a deep curiosity about medicine. His teachers noticed his potential and encouraged him to keep working hard. Alex's dedication was evident, but his financial situation remained a constant obstacle. One day, a major setback occurred. Alex's father fell ill, and the family's meager savings were depleted on medical expenses. With his father unable to work, Alex had to take on extra jobs, working long hours at a local shop and doing odd jobs around the village. His dream of becoming a doctor seemed to be slipping further away. Despite these trials, Alex continued to study and volunteer at the local clinic during his free time. He learned as much as he could from the doctors there, who were impressed by his determination and knowledge. His hard work began to pay off when he was offered a small scholarship to attend a local college. However, this opportunity came with its own set of challenges. The college's tuition was still out of reach, and Alex struggled to balance his studies with part-time work. His health began to deteriorate from the relentless strain, and he started to doubt whether he could continue. Just when it seemed like his dreams might be out of reach, an unexpected turn of events changed everything. The local clinic's chief doctor, Patel, took notice of Alex's struggles and offered him a full scholarship to a prestigious medical school in the city. Dr. Patel had been inspired by Alex's unwavering commitment and wanted to give him the chance he deserved. With renewed hope, Alex moved to the city and began his studies at the medical school. It was a difficult transition, and he faced numerous challenges adapting to the new environment. However, Alex's resilience shone through, and he graduated with honors. After finishing his medical training, Alex returned to his village, not only as a doctor but also as a beacon of hope for others. He opened a small clinic and provided free medical care to those in need. His journey had come full circle, and he was able to give back to the community that had supported him through his struggles. Alex's story is a powerful reminder that good things take time. Despite the numerous obstacles and setbacks he faced, his persistence, hard work, and the support of those who believed in him led to the realization of his dream. His journey demonstrates that with patience and determination, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome, and dreams can come true.